Welcome back, you guys, to my channel. It's your boy Brian Felix. Don't mind me, man. I'm putting on some sunscreen because the sun is blazing today, you guys. Make sure y'all protect y'all skins. All right, so we have a Porsche Cayenne that we're gonna go ahead and work on. Right now we're a little early, so we're waiting for the client to pull up. We have a quick paint enhancement / polish that's gonna be done to it. So we're gonna wash it, clay it, and give it a quick polish with our Cayenne micro cut. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, man. Enjoy. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so I hope that our client comes because it's 10:57, scheduled for 11 a.m. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my buckets because we don't have any time to waste here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side. Open this door up. Open this one. Damn. Gotta cut that out. Probably leave it, but some soap in there. Squeeze. A little bit in here. Squeeze. Alright. Close this for now. We're like on a little slant, little hill, so it's kind of weird. Oh my God! Twisted my ankle, bro. Alright. I get nervous when I'm on camera, bro. Alright, so this right here is clutch, super clutch. I know it's simple, but it saves a lot of time. And look how easy that is. So we're gonna fill this up real quick. In the meantime, till the client gets here, so we can at least be somewhat ready. Alright, you guys, so we about to fill up our water tank. I know a lot of people ask, how do you fill up your tank? Usually I do this at home, but if we're ever out on the field and we need some water for the next cars, simply just fill up here. So we have our little RV filter here. This is supposed to be water that's clean enough to drink. So if you guys need some drinking water, there you go. All right, so this has like a quick disconnect that Tony installed, and then there's another quick disconnect on the tank there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clip that back, put it in there. Kind of tricky, but it gets on there. And then I have this switch here, which I can just turn on. And now we are filling up the tank with clean water. I also have a flow valve in here, so once it gets to like 62, 63 gallons, the water will just automatically shut off, which I love. I used to usually have problems with overfilling the tank, and now I don't have to worry about that there. So I used to flood the water all the time, you guys. So I'll put it in, I'll connect it, I'll walk away, start doing wheels. Next thing I know, I see water dripping all over my van, and it was stressful. I'm like, damn, so now I gotta clean that up, you know what I'm saying? So it was kind of adding extra time, extra work for us. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this car that just pulled up behind us. Kind of weird, but she's here, man. Let's go ahead and knock this car out. I'm gonna go ahead and continue filling up once she moves the cars and stuff like that for us. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. All right, you guys, so we're here, car's here, got gloves right here, so I'm gonna just put on some gloves real quick before I start on these wheels. Yo, it's always so bad to put on gloves when your hands are sweaty or greasy. Like, it feels so weird at first. So, boom, we have the water loading up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the generator. Come over here. Turn this thing on. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling stuff out the van. If you want to, you could go around. I'm talking to the cameraman. If you want to go around, just show them a quick overview of what the condition is, and then you could record me doing the wheels. This Porsche Cayenne looking real dusty. And we need to wash and wax it so we can make it look shiny. Gotta rinse down the hood. There's a bunch of like tree branches and stuff in there, so we're gonna have to pop that open real quick. No shortcuts. So we have our flex polisher here. One thing I want to say that I love about the setup is the chargers. These are our chargers up here, and then some of our batteries. But basically anytime the generator is on, these batteries are always charged. So that's a very, very good thing to kind of have, so your batteries aren't dead and you're not like scrambling to find some extra ones and stuff like that. So for this polish, we're using the Chemi fine cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep the pad right here. Put this in my pocket, kind of just prep it a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and start with the passenger side. And in case you guys were wondering, this is the Lake Country pad. Bought this on Amazon, probably like 15 bucks. Pads are expensive. So since we are mobile, I don't have, well, I don't want to say I don't have time, but we want to save and be efficient as much as possible with the time that we do have. So usually you want to do a small section, right? Which is what I always recommend to beginners. Do a small section. Got water coming out my gloves. Do a small section at a time, and then you'll get results, right? But being that I have a little bit more experience, I know that I can do this half right here and pass it 2 to 3 times instead of like breaking it down, doing it small sections at a time. That makes sense. You do what you want. Like I said, this is just paint enhancement, and it's part of my my business. This is how I run my business. If you want to do things a different way, it's up to you. This is how we do it. The sun is beaming, super hot. I'm over here drenched, and I got places to go, places to be, so I don't have all the time in the world. All right, so we just spread the product. Now I'm gonna increase the speed. Alright you guys, so we just finished the Porsche Cayenne polish and a mini interior detail. So we have the after results right here for you guys. Renzo is finishing off the windows and we are completely done with this car. So I'm gonna just give you a quick walk around, show you guys what's going on here. So we did a light vacuum and a light wipe down on the interior. It wasn't included with the service, so we try to keep things to a minimal just to make the client happy and give her an overall clean car. That's just kind of how we do things when we, have nice vehicles or whatever vehicle. We want to make sure we kind of set the expectation for the client that we truly do care about them and their driving experience. So a little bit of some problems that we ran into were the rims here. They're just extremely dirty, you guys. We did them 3-4 times and that's as good as they came out. So sure, we could do it 4 more times, 5 more times, but honestly, if the client leaves and they're driving around, it's gonna get brake dust immediately, especially with this type of car. So yeah, she's looking very shiny, super glossy, super slick, smooth to the touch, and it's pretty much it. So I'm all like sweaty, I'm all burnt up. The sun is going crazy out here this week, man. So it's gonna conclude the video. Got the setup right there. Yes sir. So this is gonna conclude the video. Hopefully you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video here. Nonetheless, Brian Felix out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hustle never settle. Let's go.